Hi all. Hope all of you doing well. So there is a new vacancy in Bank of Baroda. Many of you were waiting for that. As we discussed in the starting of the year, that there will be so many vacancies coming in lateral entry segment. Here is another one. And in 7 days, this is the second vacancy from Bank of Baroda. So that means there is a huge recruitment potential is left in public sector banks this year in lateral entry segment, right? तो आज जो है वैकेंसी वो स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर में रिस्क क्रेडिट फॉरेक्स फॉर ऑल थ्री सेगमेंट्स स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर सेगमेंट दिस रिक्रूटमेंट could help you. So just a second, I got your responses. Good evening Aditya, Kumares, everyone. Good evening good evening and thank you for joining us. So in case you are new to this platform, do subscribe, like and share the video. Here we have to discuss so many things regarding Bank of Baroda specialist officer. Here there will be online test. Many things you have to know how to crack it easily, and it is also for scale 4. Anyone having 8 years of banking experience can apply for scale 4 position. So literally it's a good opportunity, I must say. I'm very happy that so many vacancies are coming this year. ठीक है, तो चलिए मैं आपको एक एक करके वैकेंसी के बारे में बताता हूं. ओके, तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस रिक्रूटमेंट. बिफोर दैट, you can ask me your doubts in comment section, and we have also a dedicated course for Bank of Baroda scale 2 to scale 4. Now it is live in description. We will also release a one stop link for all Bank of Baroda vacancies in coming days, by tomorrow probably. So that will be knowledgist.in/Bob. All the vacancies of Bob will be highlighted there. Okay, these are the top results, almost miraculous, I must say. You can check it out in various other videos of our success videos of our students, right? So then here, why Knowledgist? All of you know that this is our website link, knowledgist.in. So this vacancy is about 105 number of vacancies in credit, risk, and forex. Earlier there was 42 vacancies in risk, and in scale 2 the number of vacancies is 30, scale 3 is 52, and in scale 4 23, and anyone having 8 years of banking experience is eligible for scale 4. So earlier it was 9 years of minimum experience. Somewhere it is 10 years of minimum experience required to be a scale 4 officer. So that means now scale 4 vacancies will also come. Anyone having 8 plus years of experience must stay prepared for that, right? So yes, okay, so yes, now there are online tests for serial number 1, 6 and 7, and I will take you to the notification now. Just a second, I will take you to the notification. You will find out. Just a second, everybody. I will take you to the notification. We'll go to the notification in a minute. Just to stay connected. Yes, notification is now on your screens. You can check it out. What is there in the notification? We'll see. For risk, there is a fraud, digital fraud segment 24 to 34, and it is for scale 2. 3 years post qualification experience for working in working in IT and digital area of banking sector. Experience in fraud risk management is preferable. So now here comes the scale 4 credit officer. Any graduate is eligible. Preferred is PG, PG diploma, MBA with specialization in forex, credit, or CS, TMS, CFA. So minimum 8 years of credit experience, credit appraisal. So anyone working in credit or things related to credit is eligible. I always say that in such segment, many times exact qualification doesn't match. So you can go if you have allied experience. Okay, because what happens in specialist officer segment, they don't always find an exact number of candidates eligible for the post, but it is one of the post recruitments. So if you have allied experience, then you can opt for it. Like someone is working in branch having a field officer role or credit appraisal role, or someone who has dealt with credit in his job, like in private sector banks there are relationship manager loans, or there are relationship manager mortgage loans. So there you can also represent yourself as a person who was doing credit appraisal or recommending powers. Okay, so yes, we'll stick to the notification first. So preferably you should have MSME or credit experience in bank, NBFC, and other financial institutions. However, candidates having CA, CMA, CFA qualification minimum experience required is just 7 years. Okay, so or you have 7 years experience in credit rating agencies. It's credit rating agency. For scale 3, same qualification, but it is 5 years, right? Again, scale 4, credit export import business. I don't think many people will be eligible for that, but people having exposure to export and import credit, or doing trade finance in various private sector banks are eligible, or those who are doing LCBG can also apply for it. Then comes the scale 3, again 25 to 37. Again, same export and import. Okay. And in Forex acquisition relationship manager, both scale 2, scale 3 is there. 15 number of vacancies for both. Graduate in any discipline. 5 years experience in public, private, or foreign banks with 4 years of experience in Forex, or 3 years of work experience in scale 2, having exposure to forex management. In case you have any doubt on it, you can ask me, right? So here it is, online test. We are talking about the online test. Online test for 1, 6, and 7 number of ones, for position number 1, 6, and 7 for fraud risk and corporate credit. There will be reasoning English quantitative aptitude. That means the QRE section will be there, 25 marks each, but it will be qualifying in nature. The mark will not be calculated of QRE section, will not be calculated in your final selection. ठीक है, तो ये आपके फाइनल सिलेक्शन में कैलकुलेट नहीं होगा, और हम ये कोर्स में भी कवर कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो उसके बाद जो प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज है, दैट विल बी 75 and maximum marks 150. There will be case study. For credit, it will be like the syllabus we have given for given to you in Union Bank, in last year PNB, Indian Bank, and recently concluded Central Bank of India, where most of the questions were directly from our syllabus. So similar questions we are expecting here, and this mark will be calculated in your final selection. You should have minimum qualifying mark 40% in all of these. 40% minimum mark. That means there will be sectional cutoff, you could say. But if you score more in reasoning English quantitative, it will not be calculated. Minimum out of 150, you should score minimum 60 marks in professional knowledge. So here you have to give your best, and this will be calculated. This is also going to be calculated in your final selection, right? So you have to be thorough in credit management, risk management, or for fraud, questions will come from risk management, and for forex, questions will also come from forex management. We have already covered syllabus in the Union Bank and Central Bank, but we will add few more things, because looking into the positions, like in scale 4, questions will be different. In scale 3, questions will be hard. Scale 3, scale 4, questions will be tough. So in scale 2, questions will be moderate to top. So you have to prepare, or you have to stay prepared in the right direction with the right study material, right? So then the exam pattern, professional knowledge will be for shortlisting. Then negative marking is there. Minimum qualifying mark GD and PI will be 60%. Probably there will be no GD, direct PI. In case that so happens, we will do it like we have done it in our Canara Bank, and this helped even the GD sessions we took here in your platform. Some of them were directly, most of our students got directly same topic in the final GD of Canara Bank. So we have a huge experience of exams like Indian Bank, Canara Bank, PNB last year. PNB we have 100 plus 125 around selections last year in specialist officer segment. all that we will put all the question papers, previously asked question papers, everything will be part of the syllabus, right? तो some main points, you should have minimum 650 सिविल स्कोर। जब आप ज्वाइन करेंगे तब तक सिविल का जो स्कोरिंग है 650 से ऊपर रहना चाहिए। Selected candidates will have a probation for 12 months, 1.5 lakh of bond amount. You should serve minimum 3 years. No matter it's a good bank, it doesn't matter how many years you serve there. If you get selected scale 3, scale 4, definitely it will be giving you a great package, great salary. Is India's only international bank, so you can have a great career ahead. I will attend some of your questions over here. Bimlesh is saying graduation from open learning eligible along with CA done. If CA it is done, Bimlesh it is done. Don't worry. Okay. So yes, you put your questions, your doubts. Course link is given there in the description. You can find it out, right? And you can go to our website, or in description the dedicated class link, dedicated course link is there. And after the two exam of Bank of Maharashtra in 12th, we will have focus on this specific batch, as credit and risk forex are very close to our heart, and we are the only platform to deal with all of these specialist officer segment. So it will be great pleasure to take classes in scale 3, scale 4 segment. That is what all our educators really love to do, and especially our banking mentors from various banks. And one thing, I will take you to the course outline, so that will be very very good. If I will take you just a second, I will take you to the course. Just a second, I will take you to the course. Yes, here is the course on your screens. A specialist officer, scale 2 to scale 4, credit risk forex. Uh, Everything you can see on your screens now. Course outlines, video classes, recording plus live, and live is especially at night at 9 or 10 o'clock. We will take one class every day, 9 to 10, 9 or 10 o'clock. It is specially designed for working professionals. I believe most of the students, 99% the students joining us who will be working professionals. Special banking professional knowledge slides, the amount of hard work we have done in all these exams, including Bank of Maharashtra, will be helpful for all of you. And also we'll be covering mock interviews here, previous year interview questions asked to credit risk forex students, including this year's, will be given to you. Apart from all, Bank of Baroda already asked interview questions of internal promotions too will be given in the list of most probable interview questions. Okay, so here hardcore banking knowledge plus segment knowledge is required. Segment, I mean to say, is the credit risk, etc. Okay, so special contents you can find here for credit risk and forex separately. So this is all here. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Me or my banking mentors will be answering them. And we have a great exposure to take internal promotional classes in this bank for many many aspirants up to scale 5 who are aspiring to be a scale 6 officer. We have taken internal promotion classes this fiscal year, so that content will also be given to all of you. So thank you for being with us. Thank you for being with Knowledgist. Before I conclude this session, I must tell you, uh, please subscribe us. We are India's only platform dedicated to banking lateral entry and specialist officer segment. One live question I may ask you, I may attend. Sir, can we apply for more than one position? Don't apply for more than one. Select the most appropriate to your profile and apply it, because the exam will be held in single day. If interviews are to be held, if you can apply for separate ones. So whether corporate credit is like sales job? No, it's not a sales job. Many of you could be posted in scale 5, scale 6 branches. Even scale 4 credit managers could be posted to branches in could be posted to branches, because nowadays Bank of Baroda is having credit managers in its crucial branches. Scale 5, scale 6 branches, you could be found seated there. So, but you will be doing only credit appraisal, right? So that's all in this edition. Once again, I must thank all of you for your kind love and support. And also, we got the slots filled in the Bank of Baroda risk management, 42 vacancies. But students appearing for this one, because written is also there for fraud risk, can apply for this one. But risk management, we are having separate batch that got filled within 5-6 days of its release. That is the craze of students appearing for Bank of Baroda nowadays, because Bank of Baroda have many contractual posts. Whenever they come with uh, regular posts, there is a craze, and we are also experiencing it. But still, any students is left out, not found enrolled in credit management, and is one of the Knowledgist followers from beginning, they can ping us. We will try to accommodate him. And till March 24, you can apply for this position. Thank you once again for being with us. Thank you for being with